What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to be doing a review of Hankotrades mobile trading platform. We already did a review on HankoX on the web trader, but now we're going to take a look through the mobile version of it. We're going to see, is it really that efficient? How good is it? And can we expect it to be a good replacement for some of the other trading platforms out there? We're going to answer all those questions in this video, so let's dive right into it. Okay, so first things first, what you're going to do is log in. So we're going to quickly put in our login information. If you have an account with them, go ahead and put this in. If you don't have an account, use my link in the description below to start trading with them. Okay, so we've logged into HankoX with our account. First thing you're met with is all the trading pairs. We have all the trading pairs that Hanko has to offer under the all section. So as you can see, we have your USD, your GBP, all the basic pairs, and then we even have crypto down at the bottom. And if you want to organize everything up top here, as you can see the tabs, you have Forex, indices, commodities, and cryptos. So if you strictly want to just trade crypto, you can come over to the crypto section. That way you know which pairs are specifically crypto pairs. Now, to access any of the charts that you want to trade, it's very simple. You can come over here to chart and click in the middle chart button, and it's just going to be defaulted to whatever you're probably last on. But if you want to go to a specific chart, you have to come back here to markets, and then you can pick whatever chart you want. So let's say you wanted to trade gold. I just click that, and then I click chart, and it will actually bring us to the chart of gold. So it's pretty simple in that way. So let's go over one of the first new and improved thing with HankoX. So with HankoX, they aim to have a seamless and intuitive experience while using the trading app and having the most accurate and up-to-date information at your fingertips all in one place. So they've done a great job of that, and we're going to go over some of those features in a second. But one of the first things that I love is the charting system. The charting system is very clean, feels fast and efficient. Just like using TradingView, I consider TradingView to be a great charting system. They've pretty much got it down to the T with this charting system. You won't have to go over and look at all sorts of different charts. And unlike MetaTrader, it's going to be a little more clean and efficient and more customizable. So up at the top here, you have your types of candles. So if you like trading different types of candles, maybe not necessarily using candles, but bars or even a line graph, you have all of that too there. You can even use data points if you'd like. There's all sorts of different ways to look at the chart. And not only that, but the chart is customizable. So if you come over to the top right, as you can see, we have themes, we have night and day. Day's a little bright, so we're gonna go back to night for a second. And if you wanna create a new theme, there is a plus button there. So as you can see, you can add a new theme, customize the candles if you'd like to change all that. We're gonna go ahead and change the grid lines. So that way it is pretty much invisible. We're going to change it like that. And as you can see, now you have no grid lines. So it just looks a little bit cleaner. Sometimes I like to clean that up on my charts. Now, when it comes to timeframes, the maximum time frame you have is a month. Typically, you're not going to need anything more than a month. And then you have the 1 minute being the smallest time frame, and all the standard other time frames like the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minute, etc. So for especially how I like to trade, this targets all my favorite time frames. The only thing it's missing is I do like to use the 4 minute time frame sometimes. However, we can let that one slide. Okay. Now, one of the next upgraded features of HankoX is they have added a wide variety of indicators, including all sorts of different indicators that you would use like in TradingView. It's going to be on here. So I'm a big MACD guy. So first thing I look for anytime I hop on a chart is for the MACD. And as you can see, they have an MACD there for me. So this is excellent. I'm not going to have to use any other sort of trading software or trading charts. I have everything I need right here, and that's really what it's about. And as you can see, we can scroll through and they have all sorts of different indicators. And I'm pretty sure they're constantly updating these and adding more every so often. So that's another good thing you like to see. Now, an exciting feature about this as well is it has multi-device support. So no matter where you pull up these charts, as long as it is your account, it's going to have the same charts, and whatever you add is going to stick around on all your different devices. So whether you're trading on your desktop or you're trading on your phone or you're trading on your iPad or you're trading on your Nintendo Switch, whatever you're using, it's going to have all the same settings and it's going to be supported on multiple different devices. Okay, so that covers the charting system. Now, one of the great things about HankoX that I covered in my last video as well, same thing is going to be on mobile as well. If you come here to home, you have the economic calendar. So if you're looking for different economic events that may affect your trading, it's all going to be right here. And you have it for, a couple weeks, where it tells you, all the way up to right now, July 26th. You have all this updated information, so you know what to expect ahead of time, and you can watch out for these different economic events. So that's very important as a trader. Sometimes it can affect your trades. So it's very important to have this in a trading platform. So let me show you how it works now. If you want to start trading, this is what you're going to do. There's multiple different ways to go about it, but we're going to start with just the straight up markets right here. So let's say you've went over the charts, you've analyzed, and you found out that you want to enter a trade. You can simply go here and figure out which parities you want to trade, whether you want to trade crypto, Forex, indices. Let's just go with cryptos. We're going to go with cryptos today. Let's say we want to enter a Bitcoin position. We have a feeling that Bitcoin is going to hit $1 million. We can come here and click buy, and right away we can enter our lot size, how much we want to use, whether it's a buy stop or buy limit. Or let's say we want to sell the market. We can come here and do the exact same thing. Now you could either go ahead and enter straight up, or you could click down here with advanced options, and it's going to show you, if you want to enter stop loss or take profit, etc. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to enter like this, so we can show you how to customize after if you figured out that you want to enter your stop loss after. So let's say we want to buy Bitcoin. Let's say we want to buy a 0.1 lot size. Go ahead and click buy, and then place order. Just like that, we are in the trade. And as you can see over on the right hand side, it's going to show us our profit and loss, and you can watch it and sit here live and watch it move around and go up and down, etc. So now let's say you wanted to set a stop loss. You can come here and click on the pair that you're in or the trade that you're in, and you can go ahead and click modify. So even after you've entered the trade, you can always customize your stop loss or take profit after. Now, when it comes to closing your trade, it's very simple. You can just click on it and click close. Now, not only can you close it, but you can pick if you want to close maybe a little bit less. If you want to close half your position, you can come here and under quantity, you can close 0.01 of your position, whatever it is that you want to close. But we're going to go ahead and close the whole position here. So just like that, position has been closed. And we can see, we go to our history, there is our trade. It shows where we entered, the commission, the swap, profit and loss, etc. So just like that, we have lost $20 on that trade. But this is just purely for example here. So yeah, hopefully that covers just about everything that you need to know to use the HankoX trading app. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. And yeah, as you can see, it's a very fast, efficient, trading platform. It has everything you need and everything you could ask for as a trader. If you wanted to keep it very simple and only use one trading app without having to, do your charting on some other app, it has everything all in one. It's super fast, efficient. And if you're already with Hankotrades, may as well use it. It's very simple. You can log in and be trading within seconds. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. And if you're looking to sign up with Hankotrades, I have a link in my description in the bottom.